The maximum temperature for a particular day in Lagos, 30.28 degrees Celsius to the nearest 0.01 degrees Celsius. What is the range of values of this measurement? Solution. Now, to the nearest what? 0.01 degrees Celsius. What does this represent? We can see 0.01 when you compare it to this, 0.01. So it's talking about how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. And now in this case we can see 1, 2. This is equivalent to this. So that's 2 decimal places. So in this case, we're already given directed to nearest 0.01. So in this case, for us to calculate our error, the error is going to be this plus or minus 0.01, then divide by 2 direct. And this will give us plus or minus 0.05. Now, we want to get the range of values of this measurement. So for the range of value, we write S subscript B, then less than equals to A, less than U subscript B. Now, where A is the actual temperature. Now, if A is the actual temperature, the lower bound is going to be what? We have this to be what? 30.28 degrees Celsius, then minus, what do we have here? 0.01 degrees Celsius. 0.01 degrees. This is like over 2. But we can just write direct. That's 30.28 degrees Celsius minus this. The same thing. 0.005 degrees Celsius now. So this will give us what? 30.275 degrees Celsius. Now that's for the lower band. That's for the lower band. So we can find out of the upper band. The upper band is going to be what? 30.28 degrees Celsius minus, that is plus rather. We have done that of lower. Lower is minus, while the upper is plus. 0.05 degrees Celsius. That will give us 30.285 degrees Celsius. Now we can now write the range of values of the inequality. So that's going to be what? The lower bound first, that's 30.275 degrees Celsius less than or equals to A less than 30.285 degrees Celsius. And this same thing as what? 30.275 degrees Celsius to 30.285 degrees Celsius. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.